Alright, if we could have your attention for just a moment, I'd like to point out the safety features of this Boeing 737-700. A safety information card is located in the seat back or literature pocket in front of you to follow along with. To properly fasten your seatbelt, slide the flight in into the buckle, pull the loose strap to tighten. To release, lift up on the buckle. Position the seatbelt tight and low across your hips and wear it any time you are seated. This aircraft is equipped with 6 emergency exits. There's 2 forward exit doors, 2 overwing window exits, and 2 exits in the back. Signs overhead, lights on the floor will lead to an exit. If an evacuation is necessary, follow flight attendant's commands and leave everything. In the event of a water evacuation, use a life vest under your seat. Remove the vest only if told to do so. Pull the red tab, open the container, remove the pouch. Remove the vest from the pouch as shown on the safety information card. Place it over your head. Wrap the black strap around your waist, buckle it in front, and pull to tighten. Once outside and only outside the aircraft, pull down on the red tab to inflate the vest, and to manually inflate, go into the red tube at your shoulder. Your vest is also equipped with a light that turns on automatically in the water. Please refer to the safety information card for the use of life vests on infants, and flight attendants will pass out additional vests as needed. We are coming to the cabin now to make sure your seatbelts are fastened and visible. Seat backs and tray tables in the full upright and lock position. All carry-in items completely underneath that seat in front of you or in an overhead bin, leaving the area around your feet clear. Smoking, including the use or charging of electronic cigarettes, is not permitted on the aircraft. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying smoke detectors in the aircraft lavatory. Federal aviation regulation does require passenger compliance with lighted information signs, posted placards, and crew members' instructions, including information on seatbelts and smoking. You're also prohibited from consuming any alcohol you may have with you on board. If you do have your own alcohol, make sure it remains in your carry-on the entire flight. Although we never anticipate a change in cabin pressure, if needed, 4 yellow oxygen masks will drop from the compartment overhead. To activate the flow of oxygen, pull down on the mask until the plastic tubing is fully extended. Remove any other mask or face covering you're wearing before placing the yellow oxygen mask over your nose and mouth and breathe normally. Secure the mask with the elastic straps. Although the bag may not inflate, oxygen will be flowing. Continue wearing the mask until otherwise instructed by a uniformed crew member. If you're traveling with small children or anyone who needs special assistance, put on your mask first before assisting them. Thank you for listening. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy this 2-hour, 24-minute flight over to DC. We are here for your comfort, but mostly for your safety, so if you see something, say something. Also, we're going to dim the cabin lights. If you need additional reading light, go ahead and locate the button above your head with the shape of a light bulb.